Welcome to DIY Gourmet, bringing the world of culinary arts to you. Product provided for this video by Fishwife Tinned Seafood, which we are unboxing right now, and we have Fishwife Cantabrian anchovy fillets. And let me tell you, these are not your average anchovy fillets. The fat content of the fillets mixed with the natural saltiness makes for a flavor that's really hard to duplicate unless it also comes from the Bay of Biscay in northern Spain. And the cold waters there really make a huge difference. Also, this is packed by an MSC certified factory, which means it is sustainable seafood, and it is worth every bit of effort to try and get these fillets out of there. And you can tell that it's very generously packed, because I had a hard time getting these out without having to work them out slowly, because I didn't want to rip them. And I'll tell you, I did pull them pretty hard, and these fillets are so hardy that they didn't rip at all. And you hold them up and you can see them gloss and shine, and the flavor just melts in your mouth. Make sure to check the product panel in the description for affiliate links and discount codes. DIY Gourmet does earn commission from our affiliates. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.